To send money from Australia to Nigeria, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you should determine the best method for your transfer. Considering factors such as cost, speed, and convenience, you can use a bank, a money transfer service, or an online platform. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it is essential to compare them before making a decision. Once you have chosen a method, you need to gather the required information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details. If you are using a money transfer service or online platform, you will also need to create an account and provide identification. The next step is to initiate the transfer, which typically involves entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. You will also need to pay for the transfer using a debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other accepted payment methods. After initiating the transfer, you should track its progress to ensure it is delivered successfully. Most money transfer services and online platforms provide a tracking number or updates via email or SMS. The transfer time can vary depending on the method and the recipient's location, but it is usually completed within a few days. It is also important to consider the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transfer. The exchange rate can fluctuate, so it is a good idea to check the current rate before initiating the transfer. Additionally, some money transfer services and online platforms charge fees, which can range from a few dollars to a significant percentage of the transfer amount. To get the best deal, you should compare the fees and exchange rates offered by different providers. You can use online comparison tools to find the most competitive rates and lowest fees. Some popular money transfer services for sending money from Australia to Nigeria include TransferWise, WorldRemit, and Z Money Transfer. In conclusion, sending money from Australia to Nigeria requires careful consideration of the available methods, costs, and exchange rates. By following these steps and doing your research, you can find the best option for your needs and ensure your transfer is successful. Always check the current exchange rates and fees before initiating a transfer, and consider using a reputable money transfer service or online platform to get the best deal.